In React, it's generally better to avoid writing code like this. So here we have error is loading, and they're both updated as we're doing this fetch data function here. The problem with doing it this way is that sometimes you can find yourself in a situation where you have an impossible state. Let me show you what I mean. Let's assume that for whatever reason we have an error in our fetch. So this piece of code is getting executed. We're going to set the error to something went wrong, and then for a split second before we get to this line here, because they don't run at the same time, you're going to have both an error and is loading set to true. That's an impossible state. To fix this, it's usually better to have just one piece of state instead of two that tracks the status of the thing that you're doing, in our case the fetch. And then at every step of the way you just update that status and you derive everything else. Like here we derived is loading and we derived this error, and this way we're guaranteed to never have an impossible state. If you want more tips like these, you can also check me out on YouTube.